Respected principal sir, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I am Sasikant Kumar of Standard 12 and it's my honor to be here to present a beautiful speech on Independence Day. Before going to start my speech, I wanna deliver a beautiful slogan in Hindi that is कांटे अगर न होते तो गुलाब कैसा, कांटे अगर न होते तो गुलाब कैसा, जो दुश्मनों को ना दे जवाब वो सवाब कैसा, जो दुश्मनों को ना दे जवाब वो सवाब कैसा, चीर कर छाती दुश्मनों को तबाह कर देंगे, अगर इतना भी ना कर सके तो इनकलाब कर देंगे. टुडे इट्स आ 74th इंडिपेंडेंस डे and we should feel proud to be a part of independent nation that has a freedom of speech, freedom of life, life on its own way. And we all know that how India had got freedom. After how much struggle and sacrifice we attained this day 74 years ago. Many remarkable things that have been done in this 74 years. But still there are many things that we need to settle in our country. The most important things that we need to address in the coming year is division of caste, creed, corruption and the most important thing, job unemployment, which has eaten the vital nation of which has eaten into the vital nation that has must settle our identity beyond caste, beyond creed, beyond communities and represent a single identification for the nation. It doesn't matter what we need to practice at home, but our identity should be with nationhood. And you don't ask what your country can do for you, you ask that what you can do for your country. And we are the citizens of independent nation, so we have responsibility towards it. And during this corona epidemic, our responsibility to collaborate and cooperate with the government decision. And really this independence which we received is the result of loss of life of our freedom fighters. That we should never forget this forever. And at last, I again wish you all happy Independence Day. And one thing more, you know, the secret of happiness is what? The secret of happiness is freedom. And the secret of freedom is courage. So be happy with your life. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.